Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add OnlyFans to your home screen on Android device. Adding OnlyFans to your home screen can be done on both Android and iOS devices, so here is how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open up a web browser on your Android phone, and in the URL box at the top type in onlyfans.com and search. Once you end up in the official site for OnlyFans, tap on the little menu button at the bottom right hand corner or at the top right corner, and then click on Add Page to. Select Home Screen from the options in the pop-up. Now click on Add in the pop-up, which will then add your OnlyFans to your home screen. If you are an iOS device, you can repeat the same step since the process is quite similar, and that is how you can easily get OnlyFans to your home screen on Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.